Guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And as you guys know, forgetting your iPhone passcode is a very common thing. And probably that's why you click on this video right here. It's probably mostly if you have like elderly parents or your children, or they randomly just set another password, or someone just forgot their passcode. And you know, it is a very common issue. And it happened to me personally because I have an old iPhone and it has a passcode lock on it, and I totally forgot what is the passcode on that old iPhone because it was many years back. So I want to get the photos out or the information out from it, but I just couldn't get past the passcode. It's really annoying, and this issue is very common. Alright, anyone can face this issue, and that is why probably you click on this video. But don't worry, because you're in luck today. The moment when you click on this video today, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can remove the iPhone passcode lock. Alright, and you guys can get access to your phone right away without the need of a passcode. And how am I supposed to do that? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the PassFab iPhone Unlock. I've personally used this software myself to remove the passcode lock on my old iPhone. So yeah, I think it was an iPhone 8 itself. Alright, it was very many years back, and you know, yeah, there's some really nice memories of like in the past on this, and I want to get it, but I really forgot the passcode I used on the iPhone. So I came to this software, I saw this software, I came to it. Alright, I just downloaded it, give it a try, and surprisingly it works really well. I'm really impressed, and after unlocking I can, you know, retrieve all my photos, all this and that, and it works reliably well even until now. So I use this as like sometime when you want to use like a temporary phone or a spare phone. Alright, it doesn't run into any issues, and receive constant, you know, iOS updates, all this and that. So it's really cool that, you know, this software actually works really well without any issues at all. So if you're facing this issue right now, well, today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can do that. So right now I'm going to show you guys the software itself, what are the features it has, followed by the full unlocking process itself, so you guys can see how easy it is to remove the iPhone passcode if you forgot your passcode, and yeah, get access to it right away. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see right behind me, this is the software itself, and it has a lot of different features it has over here. So it's very generous of them to just include everything at once. So next time if you have friends or family or anyone else facing issues with them, you know, other phones they have, alright, you guys can use this to help them out. So it's very generous. You're not just paying for just like one features, but you know, the software itself include every other thing that you will need, so which is really awesome. But let's just go through what are the features it has first. So the first thing is the unlocking of iOS screen, which is the one that we will be talking about today. And we also have removing of iCloud activation lock if you have any issues with that. Alright, disabling of Find My iPhone, removing of screen time passcode, bypassing mobile device management lock, and as well as removing of Apple ID without password. So yeah, this is all the whole thing it includes in this whole package, which is super generous of them, and it just makes it look like an iPhone hospital. So whenever anyone has issue with the iPhone, well, they know, you know what software to use. Alright, so today we're going to just focus on the unlocking of iOS screen, and the first step you have to do is just to click on start. Alright, and you guys just have to get your phone into recovery mode. You just follow the on-screen instruction if you're using the older phone, like for mine is iPhone 8 and above, so I just follow these steps. But if you're iPhone 7 or 7 Plus with a home button, you just follow the steps as well. And if you have other devices older than iPhone 7, well, you guys can follow this step as well. And they also support for iPad and iPod as well. So you just follow the on-screen instruction to get your phone into recovery mode, and once it's in recovery mode, it should auto detect, and you should just follow the instruction to get your phone into DFU mode. And after, if your phone is in DFU mode, you just have to follow some on-screen buttons, all this, alright, just to click and just let the software do the job. And after a while, alright, the phone should be unlocked, and you guys can start using it right away. So you don't have to be really tech savvy to, you know, do anything. Just plug in your phone, follow on-screen instructions, you know, and just let the software do the job. And after a while, you have access to your phone right away. So right now I'm going to show you guys the demonstration itself, so you guys can see how easy and how straightforward it is, alright, to get your phone unlocked in less than a few minutes time. So without further ado, let me just show you guys the demonstration footage itself. Let's go. Okay, so today we're going to demonstrate on the iPhone 16, and you guys can see I totally forgot how to get into the phone itself. Alright, I totally forgot the passcode, and if trying too many times, alright, you'll be says iPhone unavailable. So yeah, that's kind of sucks. So what I do is just to connect my iPhone to my PC, and over here I just need to click on unlock iOS screen, just click on the start button. Alright, after that I just follow the on-screen instruction. You guys can see also supports for older devices as well, and I just have to press and hold the power up button, the power down button plus volume button, and the power off button, and after that press and hold for a while. Your phone will reboot, and after that you will get into the recovery mode. In here you'll detect your phone, your version, and after that the path where you want to download it. So just click on download. You will download the firmware of your phone. Also, you just wait for the download to finish. So once it's done, you will say firmware downloaded successfully, and it's time you just need to click on start to remove. Alright, and after that you will start removing screen lock. It'll take about 3 to 5 minutes depending on your phone model, and after that is when it's done, you will see your phone rebooting and there's Apple logo right here. Alright, so you just wait for a while, wait for the screen lock to be finished, and you will say successfully removed. So once it's removed, alright, you will be greeted with the welcome screen, and you can just set up your phone as per normal. Alright, and once the setup is complete, you guys can see you are back in your phone, and you guys can start using your phone right now without any passcode lock anymore. So this is how simple and straightforward it is just to get your iPhone passcode removed in less than 10 minutes time, and this is the demonstration itself. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and now let's head back to the video itself. Alright, so I guys can see from the whole demonstration process itself, it's very simple, very straightforward. You don't have to be super tech savvy to do anything. Just follow some on-screen instructions, click a few simple click of a button, and you guys can get your fully unlocked iPhone right away and start using it right away. So this is how easy and how straightforward this whole software is. And the best part about this is you don't have to go to a third-party unlocker where you have to travel, all the way down to and fro. You're gonna waste your petrol costs. They're gonna charge you like 4 or 5 times the price you're getting this software for, and you're just taking 2, 3 or even longer hours just to get your phone unlocked. Where with this, you guys can just do it at the comfort of your own home and just get it unlocked within a few minutes time. You don't have to be traveling down back and forth, wasting all those costs, petrols, and paying like 4 to 5 times the price. So this is a really easy and straightforward way to get your iPhone unlocked, alright, in a few minutes time. So yeah, after you have seen the whole demonstration and you want to get your iPhone unlocked and you can't wait to get it unlocked, well, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this software for yourself right now, and you guys can start unlocking your phone right away in probably like at most 20 minutes time. So this is really awesome, and like I say, I'm using that spare and temporary phone that my old phone is using. Alright, after a few months after you unlocking it, alright, bypassing the passcode lock, alright, it doesn't have any issue. I can set my own passcode, alright, I can sign with my iTunes, iCloud account, and after that I can receive constant update for Apple, so it doesn't have any effect on my phone, and it works really well, and it's really reliable and safe. There's a lot of software out there that's sometimes they may break your phone and all this and that, which is really dangerous. So you want something that is safe, reliable, and I have actually used it and tried it myself. Alright, you guys can check out this PassFab iPhone unlock. I'll link them the first link in the description down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out. So yeah, that's all for the guys. If you found this video really interesting and did help you out, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below your iPhone model as well. So yeah, that's all for today guys, and this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.